Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2613 code, don't ignore it. This code is related to the refrigerant distribution valve control circuit, which is important for controlling refrigerant flow in the air conditioning system. What does P2613 mean? P2613 stands for refrigerant distribution valve control circuit high. In simple words, the ECU or AC control module has detected that the electrical signal or voltage in the refrigerant distribution valve control circuit is higher than the expected range. The refrigerant distribution valve controls refrigerant flow through the AC system. If the control signal becomes too high, the valve may not operate correctly. As a result, the AC system may have difficulty controlling refrigerant flow, and the ECU stores the P2613 trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2613, you may notice: check engine light on, see warning light in some vehicles; weak air conditioning, warm air from the vents, inconsistent cooling, incorrect AC compressor operation, and sometimes the AC system may stop working. Valve location: the AC refrigerant distribution valve is located within the vehicle's air conditioning refrigerant circuit. Its exact location depends on the vehicle. It may be installed near the AC compressor, condenser, evaporator, or refrigerant lines. Remember, the AC system contains pressurized refrigerant, so refrigerant lines should only be opened with proper recovery equipment. Common causes: the most common causes of P2613 include faulty refrigerant distribution valve, short to battery voltage in the control circuit, damaged or melted wiring, loose electrical connector, corroded connector terminals, incorrect power supply, faulty AC control module, or other electrical problems in the AC system. A short to voltage condition or faulty valve should be checked first. Quick diagnosis: first, scan for additional AC-related trouble codes. Inspect the valve wiring for damaged or melted insulation. Check the electrical connector for corrosion, moisture, or loose terminals. Use a multimeter to test the valve's power, ground, and control circuit. Use a professional scan tool to command the valve and verify that it responds correctly. Also check the AC system for other faults. How to fix P2613: repair damaged wiring. Repair any short to voltage condition. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Repair poor electrical connections. Replace the faulty refrigerant distribution valve if testing confirms failure. Repair the AC control circuit if necessary. Clear the trouble code. Then test the AC system to confirm that proper cooling has returned. Final result: fixing P2613 can restore proper refrigerant valve control, improve AC cooling performance, and help prevent the warning light from returning. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.